In this lecture, we will learn how to create a different views of drawing in Catia. We have this front view. Go to view toolbar and select auxiliary view. Select first point and second point. Now drag the mouse either in downward direction or in upward direction. Left click. Now you can see that an auxiliary view of the part is created from the selected direction. You can create any view of the part from any direction using auxiliary view. Now delete this sketch. Now select offset section view. Select first point. Now double click to end at second point. Left click. This will create a section view of the part from the selected line. You can edit these hatch by double clicking. You can increase or decrease the hatch pitch from here. Make it 4. Apply. You can also change hatch angle if you want. OK. These hatch represents the solid area across the selected lines. Again select offset section view. Select first point and double click to end at second point. Place the section view. Now these hatch represents this solid area across the line. Now delete this. Again select offset section view and this time select multiple points and double click to end. Now place this section view. This time the section view is created across the multiple selected points. Now next view is detail view. Detail view is used to show a particular area in detail. Click here and draw a circle. Left click and now place the view where you want. Now you can see this particular area in detail. You can also give dimension to this detail part more accurately. So these were the different types of views used for drafting in Catia.